Welcome in Latvia. It's our cross visit in the project ITOConnect. The goal of the cross visit is to show really nice cases where you can see the co-creation, you can see the innovations, you can see the role of the advisor and the involvement of the farmers. To make this cross visit useful not only for the participants who are trained to use the ITOConnect methods, but as well for the projects, we have decided to ask for each project to bring their challenges. These challenges are used to make the learning process for the participants and the projects more productive. The first project is Interactive Innovation Partnership Project, which works on potato cakes. We selected this case because it shows a really great cooperation among the partners.
We're the family-based company here in Latvia, and we're doing cakes for almost 30 years. We're always looking for new products, and the idea was how to replace dairy milk products. We tried 78 recipes with 10 kinds of potatoes. Now we have two products. One is the potato cake with raspberries, and the other one is the potato cake with orange and chocolate. What we should resolve for now, it's where we want to go in export markets.
So after discussions, we decided that network analyze tool could be the best tool how to solve his challenge. We came out with following suggestions. Of course, enlarge market, because it's not only for vegans, it's really tasty product and could be used also for flexitarians. It's also a family business, and it's important to tell about his product more.
The second project we present is the soya bean growing in Latvian conditions and using the soya bean for the feed of pigs.
Welcome here at Sergejs and Benita's farm, Rubuļi. Farm Rubuļi is growing winter wheat, winter oilseed rape, winter barley, and this farm has also pig production. And Sergejs and Benita decided to grow soybeans to be independent from the soya export. Sergejs was trying to convince me as agronomy advisor to look more into soya growing, and then we decided to approach scientists in Latvia in Stenda breeding station.
The most interesting thing about this project was that it emerged from a necessity and from an interest of a farmer, and together with his advisor they were able to create this project which had these really interesting and great results. Now it faces the huge question that many projects faces, which is what now? How to continue this work that was started. We suggested three main solutions: go direct to EIP funds or to operational groups, to work directly and closely with universities, with PhD or master students, and the alternative would also be to go directly to the market and create demand.
Another case is the no-till project we are implementing in our Latvian Rural Advisory and Training Center. My colleague Jānis Kažotnieks brings together the group of farmers, and they are having considerable results.
As advisor, my role during the project changed dramatically. At the beginning I was an expert and I was trying to tell the farmers stories about technology and about the different experiences from the different countries. And during the project, the farmers, they became an experts because they have their own experience. When the project went on, I felt like a facilitator of the changing experience of the farmers. We were organizing different seminars, field walks.
This is a really good example where the advisor and the farmer work together, exchange experiences, knowledge at a high level.
And the relationship of trust and co-working made it possible to achieve great results, and that even now when the project is finishing, it finishes this year, that they will keep on applying these practices.
And here we are at organic cereal producer Milzu. Why we selected this case? Because they are young, innovative,
We are producers in Latvia who use high protein and fiber sourced products, and we work with different categories such as breakfast cereals, where we produce vegetables in the breakfast cereals. We use grape peas. When we process new products and think about new ideas, we try to understand from consumer perspective what he would like to have, and then we process the product and send it all Europe and even to Canada.
The organizers selected really good example of projects. Ones were driven by farmers and the others were driven by advisors. This cross visit gave us a very good way of how we can use the methods that were used in I2Connect.